Hello traders, Rich here and hope you're having a great week. Today we are going to make a detailed top-down analysis on AUDUSD and I try to make it as educational as possible. As you can see here, AUDUSD is currently trading inside this giant purple channel and it's currently sitting around our upper one, so we'll be looking for objective trend following sell setups on lower time frames as a rejection from here would be expected. So that's from a weekly perspective, but if we zoom into daily time frame, we can see that AUDUSD is currently sitting around a strong resistance zone. As you can see, rejection from here, here, here as well, and 4, 5. And it's currently retesting it again, and we also have a confluence from weekly, the trend line in purple as you saw before. So as mentioned before, we'll be looking for objective sell setups on lower time frames as a movement till our previous support in red would be expected. So we always zoom into lower time frames to look for good risk to reward ratio trades. As you can see, price is currently trading inside these two blue trend lines. So from a short-term perspective, we are still overall bullish. Price is making higher highs and higher lows, but the upper blue trend line is getting flatter, as you can see, which means that the buyers are still in control, but they are losing momentum. So sooner or later, the sellers will take full control. But until then, we would be overall bullish, and it wouldn't be a good timing to sell. So as mentioned, we are overall bullish. However, price is approaching a strong resistance zone in green, as mentioned from daily and weekly. So we'll be looking for objective sell setups. For now, from this view, we are waiting for a third swing or a new swing to form around our lower blue trend line, and then we'll enter sell on its break downward. So for example, if price forms a swing here or here, we will consider it our last swing and what we call our last swing standing or trigger swing, and our trigger would be a momentum candle close below it as an extra confirmation. So that's the view from H4, and we can always zoom into H1 as well. Here we go. So price is trading inside these two blue trend lines, and inside it, it's stuck in a range, forming a channel in red. So here we go. Price is currently trading inside these two red trend lines, and as mentioned before, we'll be waiting for a momentum candle break below this red trend line after price forms a new dot or a new swing for those who don't have HTL indicators. So we are waiting for an objective break below our red trend line or blue trend line to sell AUDUSD. That would be our confirmation. And knowing that price can still test the upper resistance, for example, by breaking the upper red trend line objectively, then a bullish movement would be expected. But I personally will not buy after the break upward, as per my trading style, I don't buy around resistance. So in this case, price and bullish movement would be expected, and in this case, we'll be looking for new objective sell setups to form around this resistance from weekly and daily time frame. That's it for AUDUSD. Let's see how it goes. And as I always say, trading is reactive and not predictive. Just like chess, let your opponent make the first move and then react accordingly. For now, long story short, we are waiting for a new swing to form around our lower red trend line or blue trend line, and then we'll enter sell on its break downward. That's our first scenario. Our second scenario would be a break of our upper red trend line upward. In this case, we'll not buy, but we'll look for new sell setups to form around our green resistance. Best of luck, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the section below.